Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can elevate your Android videos by uncovering the hidden gems, and you can shot like a pro. So in here I have some tips that you can follow if you want to elevate your videos on Android. The first one, before you shot a video, you need to make sure that the lens of your phone is clean. So make sure that you clean it regularly. And after that, you can always use a back camera when you want to take a video. Here, this is my back camera or rear camera, and after that you can go to the camera settings, click on the gear settings at the top, click on more settings, and in here find the video settings. You can change the default resolutions and frame rate. Here you can click on it and you can use the highest resolutions, for example 1080p at 30 fps in here. And here you can also adjust for the slow-mo video and also time-lapse. Okay, or before you take a video, you can always adjust the resolution or update it. Just click on the resolution in here and choose the resolution and frame rate to get the best video. And you can also try the pro mode on your camera. Under camera, you can click on more in here, then click on this pro options. So in this pro options, you can easily adjust like the exposure compensation, the ISO, the focus, and also the white balance and the autofocus. You can adjust it how you like it, so you'll get the best shot. And if lighting is the problem of your video, you can use additional lighting that can be used for your content creator process. So that's some tips from me. I hope it will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.